So guys, can you name these animals from their pictures? Number one. Yep, number one. It's a cat. Meow. Hiya, number two. What's that? A chicken. Number three. Which animal is that? It's a dog. Oh. Number four. Which animal is that? It's a cow. If you have gotten the first four right, like and comment below. Number five. Which animal is this? It's a monkey. We are at number seven. Which animal is this? It's a elephant. Which animal is this? Number eight. It's a rabbit. We have another animal. Which animal is this? Panda. If you have gotten this far, follow us at Faraja Settlers. We have 50 by 100 plots at Dhika and also at Gilgil. Which animal is this? It's a penguin. Now the last one, the hardest. Which animal is this? It's a dolphin. Follow us at farajasettlers.co.ke and get your plots.